You think your skin is just a covering. Dead cells, cosmetics, sunburn. Wrong. Your skin is a self-renewing, immune-intelligent, metabolically active, neuroendocrine interface between you and the universe. It weighs up to 10 kilograms, covers 2 square meters, contains billions of immune cells, hosts trillions of microbes. Your skin is not passive, it is strategic. Let's dissect it. And here is the shock. New research shows your skin doesn't just protect you. It actively decides what is allowed to enter your body and what must be destroyed. The outer layer renews itself every approximately 28 days. Keratinocytes are born in the basal layer. They migrate upward, they flatten, they lose their nuclei. They die. 3 layers: epidermis, dermis, subcutis. But this is not anatomy. This is engineering. But this death is programmed. Recent molecular studies show that the cornification process is not simple apoptosis. It is a specialized, evolutionarily conserved form of cell death with unique protease activation. The stratum corneum is not dead tissue. It is a highly ordered lipid protein composite barrier made of ceramides, cholesterol, and free fatty acids. Your skin barrier is a biochemical firewall. Collagen-type elastin, glycosaminoglycans. 2022 to 2024 lipidomic studies revealed something shocking. Small alterations in ceramide subclasses dramatically change barrier permeability and inflammatory signaling. But here is the new part. Single-cell RNA sequencing studies have shown that fibroblasts are not uniform. They exist in functionally distinct subpopulations: pro-regenerative, pro-fibrotic, immunomodulatory. This changes everything we know about wound healing and scarring. Insulin receptors, mTOR signaling pathways, mitochondria-dense keratinocytes. The dermis is not structural filler. It is a dynamic decision-making tissue. You learned that the liver handles metabolism. But the skin? The skin expresses. GLUT1 transporters. Recent findings show insulin resistance alters epidermal differentiation and delays wound repair. The skin reflects systemic metabolic health. Now the real bomb. The skin synthesizes active steroid hormones locally. It contains a complete peripheral equivalent of the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis. Yes, your skin can produce cortisol. This was once controversial. Now it's documented. UV radiation doesn't just tan you. It activates local endocrine responses. The skin is metabolically autonomous. Your skin is loaded with immune surveillance. Langerhans cells in the epidermis, dermal dendritic cells, resident memory T cells. Even more fascinating, your skin microbiome actively educates your immune system. But here is what is new. Spatial transcriptomics has revealed that immune cells in healthy skin form pre-organized defense neighborhoods. They are not randomly distributed. They are strategically positioned. In diseases like psoriasis and atopic dermatitis, barrier disruption precedes immune activation, not the other way around. Certain strains of Staphylococcus epidermidis stimulate antimicrobial peptide production. We used to think microbes were invaders. Now we know they are co-engineers of your immune defense. Barrier first, inflammation second. That paradigm has shifted in the last decade. Your skin is neurologically dense. It contains sensory neurons that detect pressure, temperature, pain, itch. But here's the cutting edge. Neuropeptides released from sensory neurons directly modulate immune cell behavior. Substance PCGRP, stress increases these neuropeptides. They alter mast cell activation. Chronic stress literally reshapes his skin immunity. This is not metaphorical. It is molecular. The field of neuroimmunodermatology is exploding. Your emotional state alters your barrier function. Psychology meets cytokines. Humans lost most of their body hair. That was not a mistake. It enabled efficient sweating. We have one of the highest densities of eccrine sweat glands among mammals. That allowed persistence hunting. long-distance endurance in heat. And pigmentation? Melanin is a UV filter. But here's the evolutionary trade-off. High UV gives darker skin, gives protection against folate degradation. Low UV gives lighter skin, gives improved vitamin D synthesis. Genomic studies show rapid selection pressure in pigmentation genes within the last 10,000 years. Your skin is a map of human migration. Skin aging is not just collagen loss. It is mitochondrial decline. Single-cell analyses show aging skin becomes metabolically fragmented. Different cell populations age at different speeds. Even more radical, researchers are experimenting with senolytic therapies and topical NAD boosters. Not cosmetic anti-aging, cellular reprogramming. Recent research highlights accumulation of senescent fibroblasts, NAD depletion, increased atherosclerosis, epigenetic drift. The skin is becoming a testing ground for systemic longevity science. Your skin is not a shell. It is a sensory immune metabolic superorgan. It negotiates with microbes, communicates with the brain, produces hormones, adapts to environment, records evolution, reflects your metabolic health, and ages at the mitochondrial level. You are not inside your body. You are inside your skin, and your skin is thinking.